Welcome to SkillHub, where skills meet opportunity. Today, an exciting journey begins: how to start working with Uber in London. But first, did you know that over 50,000 drivers are currently making a living with Uber in this vibrant city? Imagine the possibilities. Now, let's dive in. Starting with Uber is not just about driving, it's about embracing flexibility and independence. First, the requirements. To drive for Uber in London, one must be at least 21 years old, hold a valid UK driving license, and have a private hire vehicle (PHV) license. Next, the application process. Begin by signing up on the Uber website. After submitting your details, a background check will be conducted. This step ensures safety for both drivers and passengers. Once approved, it's time to get your PHV license. This involves passing a medical exam, a driving test, and a topographical skills assessment. Now, let's talk about the vehicle. Uber has specific requirements for cars. They must be less than 10 years old, have 4 doors, and be in good condition. After securing a vehicle, it's time to download the Uber Driver app. This app is your lifeline, providing ride requests, navigation, and earnings tracking. Here's a pro tip. Familiarize yourself with London's major landmarks and traffic patterns. This knowledge can significantly reduce wait times and increase earnings. Now, let's explore earnings. Uber drivers earn based on distance and time. Surge pricing can boost earnings during peak hours. But what about expenses? Fuel, insurance, and maintenance are costs to consider. Keeping track of these expenses will help maximize profits. As a new driver, it's essential to provide excellent customer service. A friendly attitude and a clean car can lead to better ratings and tips. Engagement is key. Encourage passengers to rate their experience. Higher ratings can lead to more ride requests. Now, let's address a common question: how to balance driving with personal life. Setting a schedule that works for you is crucial. Consider driving during busy times, like weekends or events, to maximize earnings. As the video progresses, remember to like, share, and subscribe to SkillHub for more valuable content. Now, let's wrap up with some additional resources. Check out our other videos on maximizing earnings and tips for new drivers. In conclusion, starting with Uber in London is an exciting opportunity. With the right preparation and mindset, anyone can thrive in this gig economy. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and questions. SkillHub is here to support every step of your journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.